Hi, welcome to Cass and the Can Do Creators. My name is Cass. Welcome to my channel, a channel dedicated to growing and building a YouTube channel. We're starting by taking a YouTube channel from zero to monetization using different methods we've all seen on YouTube and read on blogs. These methods and tips are usually shared after someone has built a big YouTube platform. What happens to the people who start from zero and apply the steps? How many of them achieve a successful YouTube channel? So I decided to test it out on myself by creating this new channel and applying the tips I've used in the past 18 months to build 3 monetized YouTube channels, while also applying the knowledge and tools that other huge YouTubers have recommended as part of their success. This particular channel would document what it takes in real time to a successful YouTube channel. I'm going to show the good and the bad. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and join me in being a part of this journey. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel in the past or right this moment, this video is the sign telling you let's do it. Start your channel. Together we'll go through the ups and downs. Along with building this channel, we'll talk about entrepreneurship, self-help, finances, and so much more. Together we're going to do something amazing. Like the video if you found this video to be useful. Leave a comment, share tips, resources, anything of that sort. I really appreciate it. And last but definitely not least, hit that subscribe button so we can start this journey together. All right then, until next time, peace.